everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lori, and it's been a while. It's been a little, maybe a little bit over a week, but the only reason for that is because, well, of course it was the holidays. So happy holiday to each and every one of you, and I hope you had a wonderful Christmas. Ours was kind of quiet. We're gonna get back into, that's right, opening up some of these guys. This is the Ipsy, this is the regular Ipsy Glam bag. It is $12 a month. It is a month-to-month beauty box subscription. Now let's get into the bag. I saw a lot of videos over the holidays while I was taking a bit of a break from filming, and there were some pretty cool little bags out there. Well, I don't mean as in we all got the same bag, okay? We got this little bag. This is like a little lamb. It's like Mary had a little lamb. It feels so good, you guys. It does. If you do not subscribe to Ipsy, all I'm gonna tell you is this little bag right here feels amazing. It's kind of like that blanket that you want right now during the winter. It has a very long, which is the, I can't remember the name of these right now, but anyway, it's kind of like your handled clutch, like this. Your little wristlet, thank you. It's a wristlet bag, and it does have the logo. It is like a pleather, well, there you go. It does have a, it's a cranberry. Just gonna let you know that right now. It says home for the holidays, and I'm guessing that is what their theme is for December 2020. In this little leaflet, our little card, we get a list of every single thing that's in that little fluffy bag, along with the price and a description of the product. And yeah, it tells you, it gives you a little tip, you know, kind of like how to use it one way, but it's got a job, so it's gonna do something completely different, kind of like that. So the first one is the Murad Essential C Cleanser, and it says this isn't your old-fashioned face wash. Well, then what the heck is it? I like Murad. Before I put this face on, I cleansed my face with the AHA BHA cleanser, and that is the exfoliating cleanser, the one with the burgundy. Okay, well, I have the very big bottle, and I also use the toner that goes with it. So Murad Essential C Cleanser, let's see, this isn't any old-fashioned face wash. Not only does it remove makeup and purify your skin, it's also infused with antioxidant-rich vitamins A, C, and E that help protect against free radical damage and environmental aggressors. All right, here we go. This citrusy scent is so invigorating on sleepy mornings. Okie doke. This is a deluxe sample. The full sample is $40. I'm gonna just dump it all out, okay? Because it's easier for me to get to it. Oh, plus I want to show you the inside of the bag. It's cranberry. Look at that. And no, it does not say what my other ones. Did you guys watch the other videos? It's called, they're so stinking cute. You gotta go see them. They were the limited edition, and they were cute as buttons. But anyway, this one does have the Ipsy logo that is stitched on the inside. It is cranberry. It's made out of that, hear that kind of crinkle that keeps, you just put a nice wet cloth inside and you can wipe it up, depending on what it is you put in here. So, all right, we're gonna keep on going down. The next one is Benefit Cosmetics, and it's precisely my eyebrow pencil in the 3.5. I think this is the one I chose. I'm almost positive, and the reason for that is the 3.5 sounds extremely familiar. So this one is precisely my eyebrow pencil in 3.5. Oh, this is a little mini. Well, why wouldn't it? It's a little sample. Look at the pretty peach writing. Isn't that cute? So you just kind of put I like the style. I like the packaging. I like the design that they have. It's cool. You know what I mean? And then you just kind of twist it up. I do like these much better than those designs that are kind of almost like a upside down triangle, because it takes a lot to get those pencils warmed up, and I mean it takes a lot. by the time they even start warming up, I have put it back in the little holder, the cup, and I've moved on to something that's gonna just give me the flickers. But I ain't got no flickers on today. All right, that's the 3.5 by Benefit. All right, next one we have, oh, and by the way, that's $24. It's a deluxe sample. That's not $24. Full size is $24. And then Melee, and this one is Melee Beauty Enchanted Eyeshadow Collection Single in the color Quartz. I have quite a bit of these. I probably should start getting rid of a lot of my little single eyeshadows. I don't use them, folks. I don't. And I can't tell you why. It's a question I got to answer myself. Ask myself, then answer myself. Because I don't really know why. But this is Melee, and it's in the color Quartz. Can you see that? Could you see that? It's more of a grape. Very pretty packaging. Has like that real dusty rose. See, like this. And then let's see what this looks like, okay? Obviously I'm not gonna get rid of it now. It's not gonna go in a giveaway. The only one that'll get something like this is my girls. My daughter, my daughter-in-law, and my granddaughters. Okay, so there we have it there. Did it even go on? Did you see it go on? Okay, there we go. It's just kind of is this a highlight? No, because Lori, because when you first read it, it said Enchanted Eyeshadow. Lord Almighty. Let's get some stuff here, and I can't see it that well, but you know what? This would be a really good starter on your eyelid, and then just build from there. That's all I can say about that. And because it is a single, it does come out of an eyeshadow palette where there are more colors. And what they're doing is they just take this single color here in Quartz, and it is has a decent size of a depth, and they give you quite a bit of shadow, and they just kind of highlight this. So it's kind of what that's when you end up with these little singles. That's where they come from for the most part. I'm not going to guarantee that every one of them comes out of a really nice palette, but let's say for instance this, because I wanted to talk to you guys about this. This is the You Can Be Twilight Dusk palette that you get from Amazon, and it comes in two. If I'm not mistaken, they were $12 or $18. Oh my God, I'm not going to give you the wrong information. The right information will be at the bottom of your screen. But anyhow, this You Can Be Twilight and Dusk palette, that's right, they came. See, I got these two. The Aromas and this one, the Twilight. So back to why I was showing you this. First off, I'm wearing this palette right now. But let's say for instance you get this palette and you look inside of it, and inside of it is a really beautiful eyeshadow. They take that eyeshadow out of this palette and they give you a little single. That's how it works. Let's move on to the next one. This next one is by Sela, and it's a cream violet. And this one says, treat your body to intense moisture with this skin quenching body cream. This magic combo of antioxidant rich, let's just pass that word right up. Anyhow, it's something about kupaku butter and some other stuff that soften your skin. There's some big words in there. It's like chemistry stuff, like whatever. It's the stuff that they use to make this lotion make your skin feel good. Okay, so anyhow, it comes in at $29 as well for the full version. The last one is by Glam Up. It's the Moisturizing Avocado and Nourishing Acai Berry Sheet Mask Set. And these ones are full size. They are $3 per sheet. So this is the Moisturizing Avocado. And we have the Nourishing Acai Berry. One is for dewy skin, And oh, by the way, they're by Glam Up. I love Glam Up. Do you guys remember my other videos that I did? I want to say it was Trash Talk, and I talk about the Glam Up face masks. Love them. They make your face feel amazing. There's a lot of product inside these sheet masks, so it doesn't dry out. That is one of the reasons why Glam Up has some of the best face masks, these sheet masks. And they're only 10-15 minutes at the most, so they're pretty short. So that sums it up for Ipsy Glam bag. And I would say, you know what, do a recap. Hey, what did you get? You know what? No, it's just a little small bag. You know what else is not bad for 12 bucks? You get to keep this little guy right here. And this one came with a little wristlet connected, so you're not gonna lose it. Put your keys in here, put whatever you need. Put your mask in here. A little squirt to disinfect your hands. You're good to go. Put it around your wrist and see ya. Off to the doctors. You know, I'm just giving you some ideas. Because you're really not going anywhere else but. Okay, that's it, you guys. You guys know the drill. Give this video a thumbs up if you would. Do me a huge favor, and right over there, subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. I do have some new subscribers that have just joined us here in the last week, and I want to say a big, huge welcome to you ladies. I really appreciate you hitting that subscribe button. Means a lot. It means a lot, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys enjoy the videos and become a part of my quirky world. So, all right, you guys have a wonderful evening. I got a whole bunch more to record. I'm not gonna quit right here. I got a lot. I'm telling you guys, I got a lot, like 5 or 6 that I got to record, and I got to record them before that sun goes down. So I will see you in my next video. Bye. Oh wait, let's do it without the tissue. Bye.